No. All right. We are on the ocean now. I don't know what ocean it is, but it looks nice. We've been having a great time. In the morning, we head south to Sydney. So far, we've been through the outback and the bush. I think I'm lost. Uncle Bill. What'd you go to Australia for?
We just went.
Okay.
Just because we haven't gone, and it's kind of a honeymoon thing.
Oh, yeah, you and Joan did. You
Yeah.
came through Hawaii and saw us when
Yeah,
you did.
yeah. That was the same trip.
Yeah. And read this one again from Switzerland.
I assume that you are still collecting these stamp postcards. They say here, as they say here, oh, the lady who. Oh, the lady who. That was in Switzerland.
Yeah, that's Switzerland.
Now, and it turned out, Jarrod, which he was wrong, he didn't want stamped postcards.
Oh, what did he want?
Just plain postcards. Well, they're not worth anything. He just wanted me to send him some postcards, but they're worth nothing.
Okay.
You know, you can get those, but with the stamp of where they are.
Oh, that was the thing.
Yeah.
Here's one from Australia. Read that one.
Okay. This was our first stop of the day after we arrived here. We spent about 22 hours in the air getting here. That's how long we flew. From wherever.
Yeah.
After visiting here outside of Brisbane, we headed for the outback. That was great. About a 250 kilometer northwest of Brisbane. Next, far from Derby or something, we found a nice A-frame cabin.
Mm-hmm.
A beautiful A-frame cabin.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it cost us too much. It was right in the rainforest, and there were kangaroos everywhere.
Really?
Everywhere. At dark, our yard had about 8 or 10 kangaroos in it.
Just what you said. Everywhere.
And I didn't have a gun.
Oh, you wanted to shoot the kangaroos?
Yeah, I didn't really.
Yeah.
It's just something to say.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we head for the Gold Coast. And to part of something. Then back west and I don't know, we get to Sydney that day.
Okay.
All right.
Here's Monaco. When did you go to Monaco?
On that trip, we were in the hotel room
Yeah.
and we were looking at a map.
Uh-huh.
We said, well, Monaco's not but 350 miles. It's 350 miles like this, going through the mountains.
Oh, my gosh.
So it took us a while.
Yeah.
But we spent a couple of days there, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. They had great coffee.
Yeah.
And the hotel window looked out over here, and there were yachts with Jackie O's husband. What's his name?
Oh, NASA's.
Oh, NASA had his yacht parked out here, and several others. It was very interesting. Well, we figured we was that close.
Mm-hmm.
Might as well.
What's that postcard say?
made an unexpected detour and found ourselves in France. Dropped a few
Franks?
francs at Monte Carlo,
Au revoir?
and that's it.
Did you sign it au revoir?
I think I did. I think I did.
I think you did too. All right, put that one down. This one definitely looks like it's Egypt.
Yeah, that's the one Jarrod liked the best.
All right, read that. Why?
Bayreuth crew change
Oh.
on the Nile.
Oh, funny. All right. Frankfurt and something. Maine something.
Let's see what this stamp says.
Yeah.
Sam Stageberg. What the hell is that?
I don't know. Where was it?
Jarrod, in Frankfurt Airport now. We were in Frankfurt, about 15 minutes out of Frankfurt proper. Have about 3 hours layover, and thought I would go there by rail. Do we go there by rail? All the signs were in the German, not wanting to miss my flight. I decided, this sounds like I'm by myself.
Does.
So decided to hop a flight. I hope flight I decided to hop is the right one.
You don't think that's the flight where you beat the guy's head to put his hair out, do you?
Could have been. That might have been while I was looking for a train. Could very well be. I don't know. It sounds like that would be it. Could very well be.
Do you want to tell me about that now or not?
About what?
About when you were sitting behind him in the airplane?
It wasn't that much of a story. He just had one little hair sticking out.
Yeah.
And it had bothered me all the way across the Atlantic. Yeah. And so when we touched down, I think they might even had the lights turned on. But we were rolling. And so I put my cigarette, you could smoke on an airplane, you know, put my cigarette up to that one little curled up hair, and everything caught on fire. His whole head. Well, yeah, he was just full of hairspray. And wasn't anything I could do. I was trapped, you know, so I just sat there and waited for the authorities.
You didn't try to beat it out or anything?
Yeah, I did beat it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I beat it out.
You hit him on the back of the head or all over the head? Yeah.
Till it went out, he was going like that.
And he never looked at you?
Never looked back, never turned around. Stewardess never said anything. I don't know, when you kill ducks, when you go duck hunting, you singe them.
Yeah.
Well, just like if you'd singed your hair. That's what it smelled like all over the plane.
Yeah.
And we came to a stop. They opened the doors. People started filing out. It got my turn. I filed right out with the rest of them, and nobody ever said a word to me. Amazing.
Amazing. Liechtenstein.
Yeah, that's about